Come on, buddy.
Don't get me in there.
Oh, he's a monster. He's so heavy, buddy. So, show everybody how big you've gotten. Look at your scales. Can I pick you up a little? Oh, he's crawling on me. Can I pick you up and show everybody your belly? Come on. See if we can get that. Look at his belly. Whoops! Oh, I just dropped him. Sorry, buddy. See the pretty colors under his neck? Come on.
Don't show that.
Look at that. He's got like a cool little pattern on his shirt. Okay, buddy. You're a good guy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's cool, huh? See his bearded. Ooh, he's got a tough bearded shape, huh? Say bye, buddy.